It's about innovation and entrepreneurship. It's a new way of thinking, combining education, innovation, and research. It is Skoltech, and its goal is to change the economic course of an entire country.
I think the opportunity to think, if we were redesigning MIT, what would we do? That's very exciting.
How would you design a university knowing that its role is to be an engine of economic growth?
For 1 month last summer, students from Russia and from universities around the world came to Cambridge, Massachusetts.
So here we go.
The students were part of the first class of a new graduate university called Skolkovo Institute of Science and Technology, which will be located near Moscow.
This is a new university in a new place.
The blue light leaks out.
And not just a university, but an economic engine for the entire region.
It's actually creating an entire Silicon Valley, if you will.
It's about an innovation ecosystem.
Throughout an intensive month-long program, the students are challenged, pushed,
You'll have 30 minutes from now for discussion. Now.
and tested.
It's hard, but very interesting.
I never expected that it would be such an intense experience.
How do you reverse engineer the problem?
Magnify our impact.
Daily lectures mixed with hands-on projects, all designed around innovation and entrepreneurship.
Technology has impact only when it solves a problem that people care about.
What we've actually done is mixed it all up, but in such a way so that they've actually seen everything they need to understand teams, dynamics, innovation, technology.
Luis Perez Breva conceived the workshop and engaged colleagues from across MIT to create a unique curriculum, the equivalent of 4 MIT courses.
What's really interesting about Skoltech MIT for me is that we are trying to blur the frontiers between research, education, and innovation.
So it's a big educational experiment in some ways, but one of the things that I think we do well here is experiment.
Class exercises range from programming robots to walk in a straight line,
So it's delta t times the rotational velocity.
to simulations of public works projects.
Okay, my friend.
These groups all had to get approvals and parts, then design and build a working bridge in just 50 minutes.
You really see that you can do that. And that's a can-do attitude that I really want to get exposed to.
It's a very fair reproduction of what would happen in real life. Only it does sound like a little bit like reality TV.
So versions 1 and 2 didn't work out.
Visiting entrepreneurs help the students see innovation in new ways.
Literally every single day goes back and forth between theory and practice.
The culmination of the month is the Capstone Project, an open-ended exercise in innovation. Given existing technology, the groups are tasked with finding a new problem to solve that will have real impact.
Even though there is a thrill to invent new things, there is even a greater thrill to figure out how to have people adopt, use, and improve their lives with that.
It's a serious group of kids, very well trained, and they have very high expectations. So I think both for Skoltech and for MIT, the bar is set very high.
With their final presentations looming, the groups practice their deliveries and test their technology.
So how are you differentiating what you're doing versus what's available today?
We don't have to gather information about the person carrying the badge, but only about the badge. We are continuously improving our algorithm.
At graduation ceremonies, the students are each given a special memento.
Skoltech is born with the idea of the triple helix, which talks about education, innovation, and research being one single stream. And so what we did today was start that triple helix.
The lessons we've learned from doing this are going to be important to how we teach our own students.
This has basically opened up a whole new world for me.
The Skoltech MIT Initiative, the start of a bold new direction for education, innovation, and entrepreneurship in Russia.